Yes, sir.
Man, now this is what I call lyrical intervention right here. This microphone and this guy right here, Mike Calico.
Yeah.
The one and only.
A lot of pressure.
Shit. Finna kill it.
Let's see.
Pro 2.
Yeah, I think I can listen to it now. I knew something was throwing me off, man. Turn down the second track a little. And it's on.
Big Ben over there. Tell him, Ben, answer this question. Is you wasted?
Man, I'm lifted.
John Legend, y'all.
Yeah.
For real.
Alright, here we go.
Right.